Very good afternoon to all of you. Thanks for joining us here on The Big Story. I'm Afrida Rahman Ali. We're going to focus on the issue of Captain Amrinder Singh, the Chief Minister of Punjab, meeting Sonia Gandhi later today. Now, this comes in the backdrop of two interesting updates that we are also getting. First, on Navjot Singh Sidhu firing salvos at Captain Amrinder Singh. Even now, after the so-called resolution of the crisis, you still have the Punjab Congress chief cornering his own party leader and the chief minister over multiple issues. And then it also comes in the backdrop of the issue of cabinet reshuffle in the state of Punjab. So even as Sidhu and Captain Amrinder Singh put up a united front recently, making a public display of camaraderie, in reality things are looking very different. In his latest tweet, Sidhu took to Twitter to slam his own government of the way it has handled the drugs menace in the state. Prior to this, it was the power shortage issue. This time, Sidhu is targeting the captain over the issue of drug menace. Sidhu asked Amrinder government what steps it has taken, what steps have been taken by the Punjab police. 2.5 years since it last submitted a report on the matter, Sidhu said that action taken by the government on this should be put in public domain and Captain Amrinder Singh's government should be held accountable. Now, this practically sounds like the opposition, but the fact of the matter is, here is the party unit chief questioning the Congress chief minister. That has obviously hugely embarrassed the captain's government in Punjab. Let me first introduce my guest this afternoon. Joining us here is Hemant Attri, senior journalist, and also Sujata Paul, political analyst, to give us perspectives on this issue. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. But before I come to you, I want to bring in my reporter who has the latest updates for us. Ranjita is with us live. रंजीता, आज का जो ये मीटिंग है कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह और सोनिया गांधी जी के साथ, उनका जो मीटिंग है उसको हम किस नज़रिए से देख रहे हैं? क्योंकि अभी जो हमने ट्वीट्स देखे सिद्धू साहब के, उसके बाद हमें ये भी सामने हमें जानने को मिला है कि कई लोगों ने चिट्ठी लिखी है सोनिया गांधी को asking for their intervention, for the party leadership's intervention in the cabinet reshuffle. Ranjita.
बिल्कुल, देखिए, ये वो विधायक और मंत्री हैं जिन्होंने पत्र लिखा है सोनिया गांधी को, जो नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू के खेमे के माने जाते हैं, या यूं कहें जो कैप्टन से नाराज चल रहे हैं। फैसला कांग्रेस आला कमान ने ही किया है, नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू को कांग्रेस का अध्यक्ष बना लिया गया, लेकिन कैप्टन की भूमिका किस तरह की रहेगी? क्योंकि जब ये फैसला हुआ था उस समय जो सोर्सेज के हवाले से खबर हमारे पास आ रही थी, कांग्रेस पार्टी का ये स्टैंड था कि चुनाव जो है वो कैप्टन की अगुवाई में ही लड़ा जाएगा। इसका मतलब पंजाब में कैप्टन ही होंगे। आज क्योंकि ये बैठक इसलिए भी महत्वपूर्ण हो जाती है क्योंकि नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू के अध्यक्ष बनने के बाद पहली बार कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह दिल्ली पहुंचे हैं। सोनिया गांधी से मुलाकात होगी। पहले ये सुबह का समय था, 12:30 बजे मिलने वाले थे। अब बताया जा रहा है कि शाम को 5 बजे सोनिया गांधी से उनकी मुलाकात है। उससे पहले प्रशांत किशोर, जो स्पेशल जो राजनीतिक सलाहकार थे कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह के, जिन्होंने अभी कुछ दिन पहले अपने पद से इस्तीफा भी दिया है, उनके कांग्रेस पार्टी में शामिल होने की बात कही जा रही है। उनके साथ एक लंबी मंत्रणा जो है वो कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह की चली है। आखिर सोनिया गांधी से मिलकर कैप्टन क्या कहने वाले हैं? क्या सोनिया गांधी जो शिकायत एमएलए और मंत्री हैं उनकी लिस्ट उनको देगी, या फिर कैप्टन को ये कहेगी कि आने वाले चुनाव को लेकर तैयारी करें? क्योंकि जिस तरह से कांग्रेस की 3 सदस्यीय कमेटी बनाई थी, आपको याद होगा, जिस समय कांग्रेस के खासकर पंजाब को लेकर जो क्राइसिस चल रहे थे उसको दूर करने के लिए, उसमें 2-3 चीज़ें थी जिस पर कैप्टन को कहा गया था कि जल्दी कार्रवाई करें। जो मैनिफेस्टो में जो कांग्रेस पार्टी ने वादा किया है उसको पूरा किया जाए। संगठनात्मक तौर पर जो बदलाव होने हैं उसकी जिम्मेदारी, हालांकि अब वो जिम्मेदारी नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू के पास चली गई है। तो फिर कैप्टन किस तरह से आने वाले चुनाव में कैप्टन को क्या रोल दिया जाएगा, ये भी देखना होगा। और जो शिकायत उनके खिलाफ दी गई है उस पर कैप्टन का क्या रुख होगा। एक और इनपुट्स मैं इसमें ऐड करना चाहूंगी। नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू अध्यक्ष बनने के बाद जब दिल्ली पहुंचे थे, बताया ये जा रहा था कि बड़े नेताओं से मुलाकात करेंगे। हमारे सूत्र बताते हैं कि प्रियंका गांधी से उनकी मुलाकात हुई थी, लेकिन वो मुलाकात बहुत कम समय की रही। ये नाराजगी दोनों ही तरफ के नेताओं के लिए कही जा रही है। कांग्रेस आला कमान का ये कहना है कि अब फैसला ले लिया है तो अब आपसी तालमेल से चले। अगर नहीं चलते हैं तो आने वाले समय में पंजाब में बड़े बदलाव हो सकते हैं, ये इशारा कांग्रेस आला कमान ने दे दिया है अपनी तरफ से।
Ji, bilkul. Thank you so much, Ranjita, for putting things in perspective for us. I want to go across to our guests, but of course, very clearly what we can see now is even though we were given the impression that the storm has blown over, it has left in its trail quite a few thorny issues for both the sides. For starters, as we have now seen, the cabinet reshuffle issue is going to be hugely contentious because will the captain then use it to settle scores with those who openly backed Navjot Singh Sidhu? That's a worry that some of these leaders have, which is evident from the fact that they've written to Sonia Gandhi. Hemant Attri, on this issue, the perception is, again, let me put this in context, that the Gandhi family in some ways backed Sidhu, which is why he got the elevation. And the captain, according to some reports, were also, behind the doors somewhere backing the G23. So, they had an axe to grind against Amrinder Singh. Now, that's in the larger context of what popular perception is. Under the circumstances, why is Navjot Sidhu so determined to malign Captain Amrinder Singh in this manner, publicly questioning his government on Twitter?
See, Afrida, whatever Navjot Singh Sidhu has been doing since his elevation as PCC president, I told your channel on the very same day that whatever compromise you were making out that day at the time of his taking over, everybody was saying that things will be settling down, this and that, whatever. And I told that very day that this is just a lull before a storm. And that exactly is what is happening now. It is as of now, for what Captain Amrinder Singh has come today. Amrinder Singh has came here just for giving a compliance report on 18 points agenda, which was given by the 3 members committee to the party leadership. There is some step forward on those agenda points, and he is here for a compliance report. That is part 1. Second part, he was earlier indicated that whatever he wants to do with the cabinet, in cabinet reshuffling, he will be given a free hand. The second part of the agenda for today's meeting at 5 is getting a permission for reshuffling in the cabinet. And Navjot Singh Sidhu very well knows that Captain Amrinder is a fighter. He's a fighter to the core. As of now, since the time of elevation of Mr. Sidhu, Captain is maintaining a very, stud silence. He's not speaking out anything in public. He is a silent player. And Navjot Singh Sidhu is able to understand, along with his allies, all those fellows who are, ministers and everybody, that Captain is not going to tolerate at least 3 of the Sidhu's allies.
Yes.
Those are Tripat Rajendra Bajwa, Sukhjinder Randhawa.
But even though we are hearing, Mr. Attri, the captain is not going to tolerate, he is left with no choice. Sidhu's elevation happened despite his resistance. That was bad enough. And now to have to be constantly cornered by your own party president before an election year. Now, that is going to be hugely embarrassing for anyone for that matter. Sujata, on this, your view, because, it looks like chips are down for Captain Amrinder Singh, isn't it? You also have Prashant Kishore exiting as his political advisor at this opportune moment. How are you looking at the current circumstances that are developing in Punjab politics?
When you started, you said that he's been firing salvos. And the second matter is about the cabinet reshuffle. But if you talk about the salvos, it is very clear from his tweets that he's talking about Bikramjit Singh Majitia, whose name figured in this matter, which was filed before the High Court. And what I can read of this is that he wants action to be taken against them. And there is nothing negative as such that, that I can see in the tweets. What he's saying is that if there has been nothing happening in the last 2.5 years, and we must not forget that the last 1.5 years has gone in Corona. So if you look at that also, it is very obvious that
but he's asking very clearly. I'm reading from his tweet. What investigation had Punjab police done? What action had Punjab government taken? This must be brought to the public domain. Can you recall any other instance of you have, 2 leaders on the same side questioning each other in this manner, and one happens to be the party chief, the other happens to be the chief minister, Sujata?
No, I kind of agree with you on this that it seems a little, odd that the Congress chief is questioning the chief minister. But what I can see is that he's probably trying to build public perception also on this issue. He probably wants the public also to start speaking about it, because the drug menace, if it is taken up in the manner in which it should, it is not only going to benefit the people, but it will also create a perception that the party is taking action and it
But
wants
are you
action
saying
to
this
be
is how
taken.
the Congress party functions? There should be some mechanism other than washing dirty linen in public and other than cornering leaders on Twitter, which is a public forum. I want to ask you this as well, Mr. Atri, Hemant Atri, if you can explain to me that, going forward, can we have a situation where the two Sardars can coexist? Or are we going to continue to have this conflict and confrontation? Because there's a price to pay for it. From all accounts, Captain Amrinder Singh also carries some clout. Can the Congress afford to antagonize Captain Amrinder Singh at this juncture before the state elections?
See, Afrida, it's a very good question that you have asked. Simple thing is, before February 2022, once the election is slated to happen, there is no choice with either of the Sardars except to work together. Now, how they work is a question. As our political analyst very rightly pointed out, what they are doing, creating a public perception against your own government on a public forum. Is it the Congress discipline? Is it
Yes.
the decorum?
Yes.
This is what Navjot Singh Sidhu has been doing. And Captain Amrinder Singh is watching silently. Captain Amrinder Singh has a typical history of working with Congress. He has greatest of relations with Mrs. Gandhi. Yes, Priyanka Gandhi managed single-handedly to get Navjot Singh Sidhu as PCC president with the passive help of Rahul Gandhi. Now, once Captain is in Delhi today and he is slated to meet Mrs. Gandhi, neither Rahul is in Delhi, he is in Kashmir, and Priyanka is, of course, away abroad. So, whatever discussion will be happening, one thing is very clear. He will be filing the compliance report on all those 18, what you call incompleted agendas of the party governance side or manifesto. Second part, whatever Navjot Singh Sidhu is doing, it's in public domain. And you will be, surprised to see the language that he is using. As our political analyst friend pointed out,
Yes.
he's trying to make it a public domain thing. He's calling on public platform. What should have been the ideal position? He has met Captain Amrinder Singh twice.
No, but the question is,
taking
why
over
is he doing so? Is there any such deliberate design to sideline
No.
Captain Amrinder Singh? Does he
no,
have
no.
the approval of the top leadership to do this? Because if not, then Sidhu also is being defiant. He's also, conducting an act of defiance by speaking up against one of the senior party leaders and one of the very senior leaders of the Congress party who's been in Punjab for decades. So isn't that also an act of defiance? Can the Congress party allow it?
See, Afrida, this is something very interesting which is going on. Now, this Congress government was formed in 2017 March. And Navjot Singh Sidhu remained a minister for 13 months. That means he was relevant during that point in time. And then he resigned as Urban Local Bodies Minister. For next 3.5 years, he was nowhere in the scene. And now at the fag end of this government's term, he has been given as PCC president. He has been appointed as PCC president. So to show his relevance to the party cadres, to the state, that I am the only fighter who can fight with my own chief minister. But in turn, what he is committing a serious blunder. He could have put all these things.
That's a very
in
interesting
closed
point
door
you're
session.
making. You are saying that Sidhu on his own believes that he has enough clout to pull through the Congress party in Punjab with or without Amrinder Singh. Do you agree with that, Sujata?
I'll go back to what I'm saying, because if you look at the fifth tweet in this thread, he has very clearly mentioned that he's targeting Majithia in a very big way, because obviously Akali Dal is an opponent in your Punjab, and what he is saying is that the government must move a plea for preponement of opening of the sealed reports to the earliest, taking case against Majithia to a logical conclusion, punishing the guilty. Now, what will happen as a result of this is everybody will start talking about this issue and about the Akali Dal putting the Akali Dal in the dock. If you look at the sixth tweet in this thread, he has very clearly mentioned the same 18-point agenda that Mr. Attri was talking about. So we must also understand that the method and the mode might not seem correct to us, but somewhere he's bringing into the minds of the people that there is an 18-point agenda, and this
but
is
doesn't
important.
this indicate as if you have no internal communication? Can Sidhu not ask this question to his own chief minister in the privacy of their meetings, the party meetings? There should be some other mechanism other than throwing this out on Twitter, because that is going to embarrass the chief minister. This is politics after all. Perceptions matter. I need to close the show. Very quick last word to you, Mr. Attri, on this. How will the party then, counter the Aam Aadmi Party? I mean, the party is also gathering its forces in Punjab. With this kind of rift happening, it appears as if already you have Navjot Singh Sidhu acting as the opposition party there. They've almost made the opposition redundant in Punjab.
See, Afrida, you pointed a very specific question, and there is a specific answer to it. The way Navjot Singh Sidhu has been appointed and the way he is behaving, I can safely say that Congress party is committing a suicide, political suicide, and Navjot Singh Sidhu is digging the grave of his own party at the cost of, but he is playing the role of opposition while being in power. This is something interesting. And if these things continue to carry on in cabinet reshuffle, and then there will be PCC officials will be appointed, vice president, executive, and all that. This will be having no end to it. And this is ridiculous, suicidal to the Congress party. It is better that for the High
which is why this becomes a case of open mudslinging of a senior party leader. Can the Congress party allow it? Because it's not just about Punjab, it also sets a precedence that a party chief is doing this, constantly, consistently attacking the chief minister. Again, this becomes a question on whether the party the party leadership can allow such functioning of the Punjab unit. Thanks so much for joining us, Mr. Hemant Attri, and also, of course, Sujata Paul, for joining us with your informed views on this.